Hello guys, welcome you all in my YouTube channel Tech with Rakesh. Today in this video we will learn how to draw the Pareto chart. So let's keep watching. So here I have taken an Excel file. On Excel file some data I have written here already for saving time. So 10 defects I have taken here. So first one is serial number, second is types of defects. So name of defects are written here randomly, and here their defect count number is written here. So defect C have 460 numbers, defect H has 210 numbers. So like that, all defects are 994 counts. So here I have to find out the cumulative count. So for finding cumulative count, just press here equals to, first will be similar with number of count. Then for second, you have to press here equals to, then you have to add this one plus this value. In similar way, you can find out the cumulative count of all the data. This plus again this equals to. So in similar way, the last cumulative count I will find here equals to 982 plus 12 this value. So you will see that here last cumulative value is equal to summation of this total number of count. So it means that your cumulative count is correct. So now we will go for cumulative percentage. So for this I will place here equals to, then cumulative count and divided by total number of cumulative numbers. So you will find here percentage over here. So cumulative percentage means how much percent this defect is contributing in the defect, total defect. So 46% is its contribution in all defect. So for second, so I will apply an formula. Just put it here, dollar sign again here also, and this D14 will be frozen, and simply you drag this, you can find all the cumulative percentage of all defects. So which defects are contributing how much percentage, just you can find it, here. First one is 46%, second and first is 67%, first, second, third is 87%, like that. Here you will see that all are 100%. So now we will go for drawing the Pareto. First, here I will take a blank graph. So for this we will go here in insert, press, then go in column section, then select 2D graph. So here I have selected blank graph. Now here blank graph is ready. Now here you have to put the data. Then go to right click and select here data. Then select these two columns. One is data defect, type of defect, and another is number of count. Then select two column, then simply drag here and you put here comma, then select cumulative column, then select all, then leave it and press the OK. Then you will see that your Pareto is now ready. So for better visibility we have to do some changes. Now here you are looking that your cumulative percent graph is not visible, so you have to change its graph type. So what you have to do, so you have to press on cumulative, then change its graph type. So change series chart type. So now here you select line graph, then it is visible. Then you have to keep it upper of this graph. So press here right click, then go to the format data series, then select secondary axis. Then it will go up of this graph. So here you have to give data level. Here you have to put out here, so easily you can find which point have what value. So go in layout, select the data level and above. So simply you will do for this also, select all bar and go to data level. Then you can select anyone from this. So select, I am selecting outside the, so data level is ready here. So this graph indicates that which type of defect, how many type of defect are contributing in 85% rejection level. So you have to show here with a rectangular shape. Then you have to select here rectangular shape, go in insert section, select shape, then take a rectangular shape. Just you can drag here your rectangular shape which are contributing greater than 85%, or you can take greater than 90% also. So upon your choice. So here shape fill, keep it none, then shape liner or better, take it red. So now here your Pareto is ready. So by using this concept, you can draw the Pareto chart.